abakwatirwa mpotoro yo kurwanisa enshohambi ebireye bembirwe Kano Simon barejuka bashangirwa hamwaro gwa Wanseko omu district ya Burisa.
So far 12 suspects who are at police, and we are from here, that's where we're headed to make sure that we open up the files and then document together with the fisheries officers taken for report, and they will be prosecuted in the courts of law.
Omupotoreji obwato n'ebitimba ebitarukwikirezibwa aha nyanja byocibwe.
And this has pushed us to getting back to square zero, whereby we'll have to make sure that we come and curb these illegalities. And whoever is still thinking of participating in illegal fishing should be ready anytime we are coming for them.
Bitu kandi abantu batonjera kakumu amahe ngo nigabiha hebitimba
kari wakakwata wantu mu mezi bakodwa hadi magale heina magale bakukwata simu ya walobi mukute boss wenyu atweke sente okotweka sente mutwari 15 bakusetika watigamu na watu wamu bakupira kwamu gigele kiti nanga keto wakoronge kwayo.
Buli muntu agenda kuba akurolera mugenzi we byakukora nti okukora kirungi rundi kwa ati enkoro enelesera amaiso mangi ekibaire kitaroho mukasumi kenyuma oku amaiso ganga gakutundira muntu omu akora kintu kibi.
Chairman wa district ya Burisa Wandera Twairwe yagira ngo behire yo kurwanisa emizeme berya hamyaro
emyaro gibaba hayire rundi gibatu hayire nka Burisa eri ntaito so netu nka district tuhandikire baruha tuhandikira General Kidingi who is concerned with approving emyaro egyo kurora ngo batungiri.
District ya Burisa eine emyaro mushanju gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.